Here I go with another project. I've seen so many microwave potato bags. So I decided that I would do my own. So I have here everything 100% cotton. I have my fabric, I have my batten, and I have my muslin. This is what I'm going to be using for my potato bag. And as you can see here, I have the wrap and zap. And they give you the instructions here on the back. Oops, I got my little stickies on there. It gives you the instructions for the baked potato zapper or the baked potato microwave bag. 100% natural cotton batten. It gives you a pattern, but I'm not going to use this pattern. I'm going to be using my own pattern. So, again, I have my machine. I have my material already put together. And I'm going to be sewing this, and as soon as I get it sewed, we'll come back with the finished product. Alright, we'll be back. Here is the finished product. I made a small bag for maybe one person, and I made a large bag that you can probably get 2 or 3 potatoes in it. Let me see, where's my ruler? This one is like, I'm gonna say maybe 11 by 9. Okay, maybe 11 by 9. That's what that one is. And the fabric, I think when I cut it, it was actually about 22 by 12, I want to say. And this one, the smaller bag here, it is actually, let's see, maybe 8 by 10. Yeah. So these are the 2 finished products. And I'm going to try the smaller one out to see how it works. As you can see here, those are the bags. Microwave potato bags. So we're going to go to the microwave and we're going to see if it really works. This is one of our finished bags. I have my potato. I have already washed. And I'm drying it right here. And I'm going to put it in the bag with the paper towel to sort of hold some of the moisture. The potato is in the bag. And I've set it for 2 minutes. I already started it. So I'm going to put it inside of the microwave for 2 minutes. And we'll be taking it out and see how it goes. Oh, yes, it is. Good. Fluffy. Look at it. Yes, it is. Yummy, yummy, yummy. I think I did a very good job. Microwave baked potato bag. Try it.